Hey guys, myself Nagashekar. Today I am going to explain about something called HCR and my project EchoMO, which is based on this topic. So, what is speech emotion recognition? According to me, it's an extraction of a human emotion state of a speaker from his or her speech, and in short version we call it as SER. As humans, we find speech to be the most natural way to express ourselves. Emotions helps us to understand each other better. Let's say, what if a machine has emotions and express them? Then machine will become close to an human. In our daily life, we see the speech recognition in phones and laptops and some other devices, which is commanded by the synthesized speech. Emotions play a significant role in our daily interpersonal human interactions. This is essential for our rational as well as intelligent decisions. Research has revealed that the powerful role that the emotions play in the shaping of human social interactions. Emotional display convey considerable information about the mental state of an individual. We humans can efficiently perform this task as a natural part of our speech communication. Robots capable of understanding emotions could provide appropriate emotional responses and exhibit emotional personalities. The characterization of emotions has been a long, hot subject of debate in different fields of psychology, affective science, and emotional research. A most popular example is Ekman, who proposed a list of six basic emotions which are anger, disgust, fear, happiness, sadness, and surprise. In addition to faces, voices are an important modality for emotional expression. Important voice feature vectors that has been chosen for research such as fundamental frequency or MFCC, LPCC. Implementation factors affecting SER. In past studies of SER have been restricted to laboratory conditions providing noise-free, uncompressed and full bandwidth audio recordings. It is not yet clear to what extent an SER handle speech recorded or streamed in different natural environment terms. The application of CNS is to classify whether entire speech spectrogram arrays or specific bands of spectrograms to recognize speech emotions. Combining CNNS and RNS, we would get the best accurate precision till date. Databases are an essential part of speech emotion recognition since classification process relies on the labeled data. Quality of a data affects the success of the recognition process. Pre-processing. It is a very first step after collecting data that will be used to train the classifier in SER system, which contains the sum of the steps. Framing. It is a process of partitioning continuous speech signals into fixed length segments to overcome several challenges in SER, and it is also known as speech segmentation. And the next one is window. After framing the speech signal, the next phase is generally applying a windowing functions to frames. Basically, the windowing function is to reduce effects of leakages that occurs during the fast Fourier transform of data caused by the discontinuous at the edge of the signals. And next one is voice activity detection. The utterance consists of three parts: voice speech, unvoiced speech, and silence. Voiced speech is generated with the vibration of vocal folds. An unvoiced speech is a result of air passing through the constriction in the vocal tract. It's hard to model silence and noise accurately in dynamic environment. And next one is normalization. It is a very important big step which is used to reduce speaker and recording variability without losing the discriminative strength of the features. And next one is noise reduction. The noise can be reduced by some techniques such as spectral subtraction. And next one is feature selection and dimension reduction. Choosing an relevant and useful subset of the given set of features is called feature selection. Carefully crafted set of features that successfully characterize each emotion increases the recognition rate. Human emotions influence interactions with software products. Emotions is the thing where most of humans use it for decisions. So emotions for machine will make it close to human. This is a good step in AI industry. EchoMO. It will be the website which is easy to use as it will contain an option of upload an audio file. It is a emotion detector by speech. Its source code is developed in NLP, TensorFlow in Python. Later on, its website will develop in CSS and HTML. My present goal is to create a website with good features of upload, record, mic, and if possible adding an extension for some applications for better purpose. I will try developing this project in more professional way and create an app for our project with more efficiency and safety, and it will be having more options other than upload like record, mic, and extensions if possible, and maybe used in finding emotional state for patients and more. Thank you for watching this video.